Now, as these numbers continue to rise at the prison, some are concerned about the conditions for these inmates. People protested near Elkton this afternoon. First News reporter Carolyn Sistran was there and spoke to a prison official about what's going on inside.
He wasn't given a death sentence. Their loved ones weren't given death sentences. Why can't they come home?
Peaceful protesters stood down the road from Elkton Federal Prison on Saturday, voicing their concerns for loved ones inside the facility.
There's no protection for the guards nor the inmates. There are inmates that we know personally that have caught the coronavirus.
Chantel Brooks was there for her cousin. She did not confirm to me whether her cousin had the virus or not. She says that they've been trying to contact Elkton about the conditions. Brooks says her calls haven't been answered.
We have one operator that takes incoming telephone calls. We don't have the means or the capabilities or the staff available to take 2,500 calls about how their inmate family or the inmate may be doing.
Elkton Prison Union President Joseph Maley spoke with me on Saturday. He says inmates were given extra minutes for calls and have access to emails, and that inmates should be able to update their families on their condition. Maley also said that they've made the adjustments necessary to shared spaces.
Areas in which the inmates are living in has been sanitized every single day since Monday. And prior to that, like I said, we had inmates going around the cleaning detail every day, every hour, wiping down door handles, doors.
Maley told me that commissary for inmates has been suspended. Limiting commissary access is only to maintain proper social distancing. But he also wants to assure families that all inmates are receiving their 3 meals, including all their snacks, sanitary products, and hygiene needs. According to Maley, surgical masks have been given to all the inmates and N95 masks to all the guards.
We're doing everything we can inside the institution, as much as the BOP will allow, to ensure the health and safety of the inmates.
For the protesters, all they want is for proper action to be taken, and if an inmate can be compassionately released, that they are sent home.
We just want some type of protection and some type of order to get this coronavirus handled within this prison.
Carolyn Sistran, WKBN 27 First News.